Welcome to Frank Bruno. I am Frank. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. Today's topic: what types of information has to go into a guardian ad litem report in the surrogate's court? So, often I am appointed as a guardian ad litem in the surrogate's court. I represent the interests of either unknown heirs or children under the age of 14, so minors. I get appointed to represent the interest of a minor in a probate proceeding. Right? Sometimes it's an accounting proceeding, a probate proceeding. There are different types of petitions that come before the surrogate's court, and I'm speaking only about being appointed as a guardian ad litem for a minor. So when I look out for the interests of this minor, it could be a distributee, it could be an heir under a section of the Surrogate's Court Act. When I write my report, I have to advise the court if there was, one of the requisites is that I have the ability to take the case and sign papers, and that I'm on the list, and that I'm in good standing. So that's part of the report. Then I have to take a look at the court file to make sure that jurisdiction, right, the court has the ability to hear the case, because all of the players, the people involved in the litigation, have been served, right, have been given proper notice, and have been made aware of the case, and in fact have received the court documents. That's jurisdiction. Then I have to speak to the issue of whether or not there was due execution of the last will that was properly signed in accord, executed, prepared in accord with the law. I also have to speak to the issue of capacity, testamentary capacity. At the time that the last will was executed, did the decedent have testamentary capacity? And then the third element that has to go into the report, oh boy, I know it, I really do know it. Due execution, testamentary capacity. Why don't I know this? Due execution, testamentary capacity. I just wrote one yesterday. I got it. No undue influence. Oh boy. Now I'm in a dilemma. Do I let this live video go and get posted to show my frailties as a human, my inability to think of that? Yeah, I'm going to do that. I will tell you that I write this out, so it's a report, and I go over the information in the file, the court file, my notes, and then I write it. So I don't miss it in the report. Just the brain got the best of me. It's if you want to speak to me after this video, why not? You should reach out to me, frankbrunolaw.com.